What's up, guys? So be sure to subscribe to my channel. So number 50, a game who play two players play take turns tossing a coin. A winner is the first toss ahead. The probability that the player who makes the first toss wins the game. Okay, ask about prop. Okay. So there are two. So when A be the first, B the second. So the winning the winning probability of A is the half. This is a toss ahead plus A toss a coin, A toss a tail, but now B fails, so B toss a tail. I mean, if B toss a head, then it's game over, right? Times what? Then this go back to let's go back to P of A, right? So recursion formula should write on P of A. So solve this, we can get 3/4 P of A equal to half. So P of A is 2/3. 2/3. So the answer is D. The answer is D. Okay, 51. This is the high school problem. Since he already tell you that it converges, so basically you just replace this by the convergent numbers. Let's say L. So L equals to 3 plus 2L, and L squared is to 3 plus 2L. So we have two results, like so L equals 3 or minus 1. But this is a square root, right? So minus 1 is not possible. The only possibility is L equal to 3. So the answer is E. So the answer is E.